If we look at the pricing for these, let's start with base 44. I'm just going to go full screen here. So base 44 has a lot of plan options. And the first thing you'll note is that it's set to yearly right now. So if you don't want to pay 1 year at a time, if you're paying monthly, they are going to be, 20% more expensive, as you can see right there. They do both have a free option though. So base 44 and Lovable, which is nice, but it is pretty restrictive. So what you want to look at here is this column or this row in the middle. So we have message credits and integration credits. That's how base 44 does it. Kind of in summary on those, and this is a little bit oversimplifying, but message credits is going to be how you build your app, so what you're actually telling the AI to do, and then integration credits are going to basically be what is running your website. If you have any connections, integrations, APIs, that's going to be your integration credits. That's more or less a summary of it. It's a little bit more complicated, but I think that they're pretty well proportioned for most people, for most apps that you're making. But you can see $16 a month, again, annual plan here. For the starter one, gives you 4 times the message credits, 20 times the integration credits. So you could really use this pretty substantially. And that's kind of the main difference between the free and the starter. If you go up to the builder one or any of the other ones, you're going to get a bunch of other things on the bottom, some other highlights like free domain that comes with it, for example. You can connect to GitHub. You can connect a domain to this. So these other ones, you can't connect your own domain. That's a pretty significant drawback there if you're trying to make something more professional. So really for most businesses, the builder is going to be probably the cheapest one you'd really want to go with. So then switching over to Lovable. Lovable only has 3 plans and then like a custom enterprise one, but you've got the free plan there. You've got, again, this is switched to annual. You'll save money, or in monthly. You can see by default, they're showing you monthly, which is kind of nice, but they don't have the 2 different credit system. They just have regular old credits on this. So you're getting 100 monthly credits, but it's kind of distributed in a weird way. So you get 5 credits daily up to 150 per month. Lovable doesn't have the 2 credit system. You'll see this once we start using the app. They just have 1 kind of credit for making your app, and you get 100 monthly credits with the pro plan, and then you're getting an extra 5 per day, up to 150 per month. So 30 days if you're doing it like that. Whereas the free plan really limits you. You get 5 credits a day, and that's it. Again, the free plan doesn't let you connect your own domain and a bunch of other limitations like that. By the way, if you go to your plans on Lovable and you don't have enough credits, you could upgrade just the credits instead of having to upgrade to a different plan. So you could say maybe you want 200 credits a month, maybe you want 800 credits a month. It'll show you what the price is going to be right there. So that's something that, if you need to change it, is totally available to do. If you go to base 44, they don't give you that same option unless you go over to Elite. You can choose how many credits you're getting there, but otherwise you have to upgrade and they kind of have a different tier system. So the winner of the pricing category is kind of a toss-up. They both have a free option. Lovable is a little bit cheaper to get started if you want to connect a domain, if that's really important to you, or base 44 is a little bit cheaper to get started and really scale it if you're okay with not using your own custom domain.